What does the ISI have to do with the BTR mutiny in Bangladesh? Well, it may turn out to be everything. Preliminary investigations into the BTR mutiny have revealed the name of a BNP MP, Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry. He is believed to have close ties with Pakistan's ISI. This has furthered suspicions about Pakistan's efforts to destabilize the Hasina government in Dhaka.
The suspicion was always there, and now it's gathering strength. A Pakistani man is being suspected behind the BTR mutiny in Bangladesh, with possible connivance of the Jamaat-e-Islami and the BNP. Bangladesh Minister for Local Government minced no words while voicing his suspicion.
BTR ঘটনার সঙ্গে বাইরের কিছু ব্যক্তিবর্গ সেখানে জড়িত ছিলেন, সেই ব্যাপারে অনুসন্ধান চলছে।
Preliminary investigations have thrown up the name of BNP MP Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry, a businessman closely connected with the Pakistani military intelligence. Chaudhry is a shipping magnate based in Chittagong and is known to be close to Khaleda Zia as well.
Qadir Chaudhry and others who are now suspected to be involved have very heavy relationship and transaction with the Pakistan and ISI. Outside Dhaka, the main center of rebellion was at Feni, Cox's Bazar, and Chittagong, and Comilla, and Sylhet. All these are strongholds of Qadir Chaudhry and Jamaat-e-Islami and BNP.
Elsewhere, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has vowed to set up a war crimes tribunal to try the accused of the Independence War of 1971 and the Mujibur Rahman assassination. It's a move that will surely embarrass the Pakistan army. Pakistan President Asif Ali Zardari have gone to the extent of sending an emissary to Sheikh Hasina to try and change her mind.
And she has won with a great majority, and that makes them very uncomfortable. There is no other way to dislodge her except by terrorism or destabilization. So it is a conspiracy. Rightist parties and fundamentalist groups are definitely involved because they don't want a secular democratic state which could be pro-India to continue like this, and therefore they want to destabilize it.
The brutality of murders in BDR headquarters have a clear jihadi imprint. Jihadis could have infiltrated the ranks of BDR. Initial reports also suggest that Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Bangladeshi army chief could have been on the target of mutineers. It all points towards a greater probable conspiracy of Pakistan to destabilize the Bangladeshi government. With cameraman Pradeep Gupta, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for Headlines Today.